We got something for you guys. Here we go.
Check this out.
Check this out. Check this out. Give me something new, something real cool, something that'll stick like super glue. Coming up next, we in the queue. You know who? Like a chef, we in the kitchen. We a genie granting wishes. We be savage, we be vicious. Got that magic, superstitious, y'all. I got a feeling and I just gotta say, this is better than good. Yeah, this is better than great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got a feeling things are going our way. You won't believe what you see, because it's all about to change. Bet you're wondering what it is. Bet you're asking how, in case you ain't convinced. Come on, check this out. Come on, check this out. Come on, check this out.
See you at the open house.